Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on Boolean algebra, lecture number 2, in which I will discuss duals and some laws in Boolean algebra. We define dual of a statement in a Boolean algebra. Let B be a non-empty set with binary operation plus and dot and unary operation complement and two identities 0 and 1 be a Boolean algebra. If we interchange binary operation plus and dot and also interchange identities 0 and 1 in a given statement of a Boolean algebra, then the resulting statement is called dual of the given statement in the Boolean algebra. Now we define principle of duality. If a statement or algebraic statement holds in a Boolean algebra, then its dual also holds. This result is called principle of duality. Now we prove some laws in Boolean algebra. Number 1, idempotent law. In Boolean algebra, in which we have two sections. Number 1, a plus a equal to a. Number 2, a dot a equal to a for all a belongs to b. Now firstly prove number 1. Since by identity law we know that a plus 0 equal to a implies that here we have 0. By complement law we know that a dot complement of a equal to 0. Now we use the distributive law. Since Boolean algebra is distributive with respect to plus and dot both operations. Here a plus a dot a plus complement of a equal to a. Since by complement law a plus complement of a equal to 1. Now by identity law, since 1 is the identity with respect to dot, so a plus a dot 1 equal to a plus a, that is equal to a, proved. Number 2, since by identity law a dot 1 equal to a, 1 is the identity with respect to dot. This 1 equal to a plus a dash means complement of a by complement law. Now we use the distributive law a dot a plus a dot complement of a, this equal to a. Since by complement law a dot complement of a equal to 0. Now we use the identity law. Since 0 is the identity with respect to plus, so a dot a plus 0 equal to a dot a, this equal to a, proved. we may also prove this number 2 with the help of number 1 by applying the principle of duality. In principle of duality, we interchange binary operation plus and dot and also interchange identities 0 and 1. If we interchange here plus by dot, then we get A dot A equal to A. This is number 2. Also, we may prove number 1 with the help of number 2. Here, in place of dot, if we change plus A plus A equal to A, this is number 1. This is very easy technique in Boolean algebra to prove one statement with the help of other statement by using principle of duality. Number 2, bounded law. In this law, we have two sections. Number 1, A plus 1 equal to 1. In number 2, A dot 0 equal to 0. For all A belongs to B. By complement law, we know that A plus complement of A equal to 1. Here, in second step, we use identity law. Complement of A equal to complement of A dot 1. Since 1 is the identity with respect to dot. Now we use the distributive law. Here A plus A dash, that is A plus A complement of A dot A plus 1. By complement law, we know that A plus complement of A equal to 1. Now we use the identity law. Since 1 is the identity with respect to dot, so 1 dot A plus 1 equal to A plus 1 implies that A plus 1 equal to 1. Proved. Now we shall prove number 2 with the help of number 1 by applying principle of duality. In principle of duality, we know that we interchange binary operation plus and dot. Also we interchange identities 0 and 1. Here in place of plus we write dot. So we get A dot, and in place of 1 we write 0. A dot 0 equal to, in place of 1, 0. A dot 0 equal to 0. Proved. Number 3, absorption laws. Here we have two sections. Number 1, A plus A dot B equal to A. In number 2, A dot A plus B equal to A. For all A belongs to B. Now prove. Number 1. Since by identity law we know that A dot 1 equal to A. Since 1 is the identity with respect to binary operation dot. By bounded law, we may write 1 equal to 1 plus B. By distributive law, we may write here A dot 1 plus A dot B. Right side equal to A. Since 1 is the identity element with respect to binary operation dot, therefore A dot 1 equal to A plus A dot B equal to A. Proved. Number 1. Now number 2. By using principle of duality in 1, this is number 1. So in place of plus we give dot, in place of dot we give plus, and we get A dot A plus B equal to A. Proved. Associative law, 4 number. Associative law. Here also we have 2 sections. A dot B dot C equal to A dot B bracket dot C, and number 2, A plus under bracket B plus C equal to under bracket A plus B under bracket plus C for all A, B, C belong to B. Now we prove number 1. Since by absorption law we have A equal to A plus A dot something, in the place of something we have B dot C. Left side, we may write left side by absorption law A dot A plus C, and right side is the same. Again, in left side, by absorption law, A equal to A plus under bracket A dot B, and dot A plus C remains same, right side same. By distributive law, here we have A, here also A, and here plus, here plus. So we write A plus A dot B dot C. This is number 1. Again, complement of A plus A dot under bracket B dot C equal to, here we use the distributive law. Here A dash plus A dot A dash plus B dot C. Here by complement law, A plus A dash equal to 1 dot, here complement of A plus under bracket B dot C. Again, by identity law, since 1 is the identity with respect to operation dot, so 1 dot something equal to something, that means complement of A plus B dot C. Now we use distributive law. Here plus complement of A plus B dot complement of A plus C. Here we use the identity law. Complement of A plus B equal to 1 dot complement of A plus B, and this term remains same. Now by complement law, 1 equal to complement of A plus A, and here other terms remain same. Now we use distributive law. Here plus, here we use the complement law, that is A complement of A plus A dot B. Here complement of A is taken as common, here plus dot complement of A plus C, implies that left side is complement of A plus A dot under bracket B dot C, and right side is we take again distributive law. Here we have plus, here also plus. So we take complement of A outside here plus A dot B dot C. Here we have taken plus. So here we will take dot. This is number 2. Now A dot B under bracket dot C equal to 0 plus same thing. Means 0 is an identity element. So with respect to plus. So we may write this 0 plus this equal to this. Now by complement law 0 equal to A dot complement of A. Now we use the distributive law. Here we have plus. So we use A plus A dot B dot C, then dot. Complement of A plus A dot B dot C. This equal to here using 1 and 2 we get in 1 we have seen that A plus A dot B dot C equal to A plus A dot B dot C. So here in place of A plus left side A dot B dot C equal to we write right side A plus A dot B dot C. From 2 here left side is complement of A plus A dot B dot C. We use distributive law. Here A dot A dash means complement and this is the same. So we write plus this. That means this is plus outside this thing. Now A dot complement of A equal to 0 by complement law plus A dot B dot C. 0 is the identity element. So 0 plus this thing equal to this thing. So we get here left side under bracket A dot B dot C equal to right side A dot under bracket B dot C. Therefore associative law is proved. Now we shall prove thus number 2. Since we may prove this with the help of principle of duality. In principle of duality we know that binary operation plus and dot are interchanged and also identities 0 and 1 are interchanged. Then the rule holds. Here we change. In place of dot we write plus. In left side also in right side A dot in place of dot we write plus. Here also plus. So under bracket A plus B plus C equal to A plus under bracket B plus C. So associative law holds with respect to binary operation plus. So proved. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.